Hey, mighty mathematicians. So we are going to be practicing ordering whole numbers. You can compare any whole number. One number will be the greatest and one number will be the least. So, ordering numbers greatest to least, what we always do is we start comparing at the largest place value, okay? So, if I have a couple houses, welcome to my house, okay? So, here's what my house would look like if I was ordering numbers. I would have my ones with the ones, tens, and hundreds, and then I would go into my thousands place value with the thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s, okay? And today we're just going to be focusing on numbers in the thousands, but you'll see that we have different houses, the thousands and the ones, okay? And so we're going to start by comparing and lining up the numbers again. And then we're also going to be looking at the largest place value, which happens to be the thousands. So here we go. Let's practice, friends. Here's an example problem. Maddie played a video game on 4 days. She scored these points each day: 824, 1,354, 928, and 809. Write Maddie's scores in order from greatest to least. What do they want us to see? Greatest to least. Okay, so we're going to use our strategy place value to compare the numbers. We're going to line up the numbers by place value and compare the digits in the thousands place. So look, only one number is going to have the thousands place. I know that 1,354 is going to be the greatest number. Over here on step 2, we're going to compare the digits in the numbers that are left. So if you take a look at the hundreds place, we have 824, 928, and 809. I know that 928 has 900s, so 928 is the next greatest number. And then finally, we're going to look at step 3, okay? You can remember that both 824 and 809 have 800s. So we're going to compare now the next biggest digit, which will be the tens. So you're going to look at the tens digit now. So we have, and I know that 2 tens are greater than 0 tens. So 824 is going to go next, and then the least number would be 809. So Maddie's scores in order from greatest to least are, remember the biggest is the greatest: 1,354, 928, 824, and 809. All right, friends, go ahead and practice this tonight on our homework. You should have 5 questions in Schoology. Go ahead and answer those, and we'll practice some more in class tomorrow. Have a great night. Bye, friends.